This video is brought to you by IX Systems. Interested in a more interactive learning experience? IX Systems is offering professional FreeNAS training. Also available is a free hour-long introduction class. Find out how you can register for the classes in the description below. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to set up shares on your FreeNAS machine. To share with Windows machines, FreeNAS uses CIFS, also known as SMB. Apple Filing Protocol, or AFP, is used for Apple machines, and Network File System, or NFS, is used to connect with Unix-like machines. WebDAV sharing, or Web Distributed Authoring and Versioning, has been added in version 9.3. CIFS is the most flexible, but we're going to show you how to set up each one individually. Before you get started, you should already have a volume configured. To learn how to configure a volume, watch our FreeNAS Volumes and Snapshots overview video. Go to Account on the left side menu. Click Users, then Add User. Give the account a name. I'll name this FreeNAS is Cool. Allow it to create a group as well. If not, I'll show you how to do it. Fill in the required fields of full name. I'll name it I Am Awesome. Give it a password. Then click OK when done. Next, I'll show you how to make a group. You should only do this if you didn't check the box earlier. Click Groups under the left side menu under Accounts. Then click Add Group. Give it a name. Then click OK when done. Now let's set up an Apple share. Click on Storage on the top menu. Select the volume. Click Create Dataset on the bottom menu. Enter a name for this dataset. I'll call it Apple Set. Choose your share type as Mac. Make sure this is set before you do anything. Click Add Dataset when done. Select the dataset you just made and click Change Permissions on the bottom menu. Choose the owner group as FreeNAS is Cool. This will be used to log into the share from your Mac. Set the appropriate permissions. The type of ACL should already be set to Mac when creating a dataset to avoid any issues. Click Change when done. Click on Sharing on the left-hand side. Click Apple Shares, then add Apple Share. Give this share a name. I'll call this one Apple Share. Browse to the path of the dataset you want to share. Click Advanced if you need to, then set the appropriate default file permissions. You don't have to change any of these other settings for now. Click OK when done. Then click Yes to enable services. It should take you to the services page. Make sure it says On next to AFP. Once that is done, get on an Apple machine. From the Finder bar, click Go, then open up the Connect to Server dialog. Connect to the share by typing in AFP:// followed by your FreeNAS IP address. You need to enter the FreeNAS user account you created earlier. NFS on FreeNAS does not support password authentication. You should only use it on networks where you control and trust all the clients. If you want to prevent people on your network from having root level access if they connect to your share, set the map root setting to something like nobody or the guest user. If you want everyone to have the same access, set map all to the FreeNAS user and group you want them to have the permissions of. Click OK when done, then click yes to enable services. It should take you to the services page. Make sure it says on next to NFS. Now head on over to your Unix-like machine. I'll be using PC BSD. Create a folder you will be mounting your NFS share to. Open up the console and type in the following command: sudo space mount underscore NFS space your FreeNAS IP address /mnt/ the name of your volume / the name of your dataset /usr /home / the name of your PC BSD user / the name of the path to your NFS mount. Enter the password. The folder should now be accessible. This process will be different if you're using other Unix-like systems, so make sure to check the documentation for the operating system you're using. Next, we'll set up a Windows share. Go back to storage on FreeNAS. Select the volume and click Create ZFS Dataset on the bottom menu. I'll call this Windows Set. Choose Windows as a type of share. Then click Add Dataset when done. Select this dataset and click Change Permissions on the bottom menu. Choose the owner group FreeNAS is cool. Click Change when done. Choose Windows Shares on the left hand side, then add a Windows Share. Give your share a name. I'll call this one Windows Share. Browse to the path of the dataset you want to share. Select Allow Guest Access if you would like your guests to view your files without a password. Then click OK when done. Click Yes to enable the service. It should take you to the services page. Make sure it says On next to CIFS. Now head on over to your Windows machine. Open up a File Explorer and type in / followed by your FreeNAS IP address. You should be able to see your folder in here. Right click that shared folder and click Map Network Drive. Check the box Connect using different credentials, then click Finish. Enter the login details of the account you created in the beginning. Next we'll be setting up a WebDAV share. WebDAV sharing is a new feature in FreeNAS. This type of share will let you connect with mobile devices such as iOS or Android. Go back to storage on FreeNAS. Select the volume and click Create Dataset on the bottom menu. I'll call this one WebDAV set. Choose Unix for the type of share, then click Add Dataset when done. Select this dataset and click Change Permissions on the bottom menu. Leave the owner group as WebDAV. Then click Change when done. Click WebDAV Shares on the left hand side and add a WebDAV share. Give your share a name. I'll call this one WebDAV Share. Browse to the path of the dataset you want to share. Click OK when done. Then click Yes to enable the service. It should take you to the services page. Make sure it says On next to WebDAV. Click the WebDAV settings icon. You can change it to basic authentication as some devices may not work with digest. Go ahead and change the password of the WebDAV. Click OK when done. Now, head on over to your WebDAV enabled device. I'll be using the app WebDAV Nav on iOS. Open up the settings and fill out the required fields. For the URL, type in http:// IP of your FreeNAS machine, the WebDAV port, which should be 8080, / the name of your share. The default port should be 8080. If not, check the WebDAV settings in the Services tab. Enter the username WebDAV along with the password you changed it to. Now you should be able to create a folder and upload files to your share. You have configured the shares for your FreeNAS. To get more information about what you've seen in the video, as well as on more complex shares, go to the documentation in the description below. Also, the new wizard feature in 9.3 will help you create shares as well, but we will show you how to use that in the next tutorial. This video was made possible by IX Systems, the sponsor and developer of the FreeNAS project. Many people have asked, how can they support the FreeNAS project? For those interested, we offer a wide range of storage products that leverage FreeNAS. For enterprise customers that need high availability and 24/7 support, we have TrueNAS. For business customers that need powerful and rock-solid FreeNAS storage, we offer FreeNAS Certified. For home and small office use, we offer the FreeNAS Mini. For more information, visit ixsystems.com/storage.